Afternoon, everybody. We're gonna make a lemon meringue pie today. The first thing you need is a baked pie shell. Mine's in the oven. Then you're gonna need to separate 4 eggs. You're gonna need the juice from 2 lemons and a tablespoon of the zest. Once I get everything set up, we'll start. Alrighty. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna whip your egg whites. So I have 4. And you're gradually gonna add in 6 tablespoons of sugar. I'll be back when mine's done. Okay, you want them stiff. My aunt always made her meringue first and just let it sit because this doesn't take very long. So the first thing you're gonna need is a pot. You're gonna put a cup of sugar. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 3. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you want it like a custard, you're gonna use 1½ cups of milk. I use water because I don't like it like a real thick filling. So I'm using water. So you need 1½ cups of water. Where's my half? Then you're gonna need your lemon juice. Right here, I squeezed mine. I see I have a little seed in mine. I gotta get that out. I got one little piece in there. I'm gonna bake that one. Pour that in. And then you need a tablespoon of zest. I zested mine. If you have a zester, you just want to take that first layer, go real light, and get that first layer of your lemon. You don't want to take any of this white. And I just keep these and I put them through my garbage disposal. Okay, this is gonna go on a medium-high heat. All right, let me get my camera over here. So I'm gonna start probably about a 6 on my stove. And of course, let's see, maybe I can use this burner. That way you can see. Okay. And you're gonna get a whisk and mix all this together. Then you want this to come to a boil, and then you're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, so get this whisk up and bring it to a boil, and I'll be back. While we're waiting for that to boil, just take your 4 egg yolks and you're gonna beat them up. And about this time, you can set your oven to 350, which mine is already there as I did my pie crust. Just keep stirring till this gets to a boil. Okay, mine is just starting to bubble. See how it's kind of sticking to the whisk? Okay, take it off the heat for a minute and drop in 2 tablespoons of butter and get that melted in. This is so balanced. I mean, it's just sweet enough, just tart enough. Okay, my butter's almost melted. Okay. Then you're gonna take about a 1/2 cup of your hot mixture and put it in a bowl as you're gonna start adding your egg yolks. And just whip so they don't cook. Kind of slow. Let's see if I can get over this way. Okay. So just like a little drizzle and whip. Okay, get your pot again, and you're gonna pour this mixture back in, and you're gonna bring it to a gentle boil with it. Put you on low. And you want this to become thick also. You just keep stirring. Probably on like 5 again. Just till all the egg yolks were in. And then this is gonna sit out for about an hour after it comes out of the oven. Let it sit out for about an hour, and then you can refrigerate it. Get it up to a boil. There we go. All right, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna switch places here. Okay, then what you're gonna do is pour your pie filling in your baked shell. Get all that goodness out of there. Then you're gonna take your meringue and you're gonna cover the pie and try to get it, you know, up to the crust, because that'll seal your pie. I probably should have washed that off. Spread it around. And I usually take just a regular knife and spread it around. Get it right to your edges. This seals the pie. Then if you want to make little designs, you can, little dippies to kind of make it fancy. Peaks. Just kind of pull up on your meringue. Okay, this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, or until your meringue turns golden brown, and I'll be right back. While the pie is cooking, or the meringue, I just wanted to thank everybody for subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting on the recipes. I do have spaghetti sauce coming up. I'm gonna try to get the breadsticks done today. And there's a whole book that I'm still going through. This is one of her books. You can tell it's very old. So, but I'll be back as soon as my meringue gets golden. And don't throw those lemons away. I just put half of mine down. The garbage disposal off, and then I just put them in a plastic bag, and like I just throw it in a few times a week just to kind of keep the garbage disposal. I have 2 seconds left. Pretty. And there's the pie, lemon meringue. Now you're gonna let this sit out for an hour, and then you can put it in the refrigerator. And that is my Aunt Chris's lemon meringue pie. Again, thank you for subscribing, watching the videos, and I'll try to get back today to do the breadsticks. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day.